In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call on Calendly, a comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll walk through each step so that by the end, you'll be scheduling calls with ease. To get started, open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, this is the right time to sign up. For those logging in, you'll need to enter your login credentials, which typically include your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which acts as your control center. From your dashboard, navigate to the event types option. This section is where you can create and manage the different types of meetings you'll be hosting. You can click on an existing event if you have one set up already, or select the option to add a new event type. Choosing a new event type opens up a variety of customization options, ensuring that your meetings are tailored to your specific needs. A crucial aspect of setting up your event is deciding on the call location. This is the method by which your meeting will take place, and Calendly integrates seamlessly with several platforms. Your call can be hosted via Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, or any other integrated service that suits your needs. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can opt for a phone call. Here, you have the flexibility to either let your invitee enter their phone number so you can call them, or provide your number for them to call you. Remember, choosing the right location can impact the quality and convenience of your meetings, so consider what works best for your situation. Next, you'll want to add any other meeting details that would be relevant for your attendees. This could include an agenda, any files or links they might need, or specific instructions pertinent to the call. Adding these details ensures everyone is prepared, fostering a productive session from the start. After all your details are in place, customize your confirmation and reminder settings. These notifications are incredibly useful for keeping both you and your attendees informed and engaged. You can set up reminders to be sent at various intervals. It could be a day before, an hour before, or at any custom time frame you choose. These reminders help reduce no-shows and ensure everyone is ready when the meeting begins. Finally, after reviewing all your settings, click on Save Changes. This step solidifies all your configurations and you're almost ready to go. Now, to share your scheduled call, simply click on Copy Link. This link can be shared directly via email, Messenger, or embedded on your website, making it easy for people to join. And there you have it. You're all set to start scheduling calls efficiently using Calendly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs like this.